So, this is where we're at. It's taken 2 days, but things are shaping up a little bit. I have lost an awful lot of stuff. I'm waiting for an awful lot of stuff to dry out. But on the whole, we haven't done terribly. Sorry, the lighting's not that great back here. Everything's been oiled thoroughly. I do need to get my hands on a parts washer. But short of waiting for electronics to dry out and motors to finish drying out, I'm not in terribly bad shape. And that noise you can hear is the generator that's supplying us with some basic necessities.